So you were sent a Canva template and you don't know quite what to do with it. Well, first thing you do, log into your Canva account and then go to your email where you receive or whatever document you have the Canva template in. And you'll notice it'll say canva.com and design. And you just click on that link. It will say a template was created by, in this case, Helpful Content Studios, but whatever the name of the account is that's sharing with you. And then you'll see this big purple button that view template. And it's going to say that it's already ready for you to start editing. You click open in editor, and now it creates a copy in your account of that, whatever that file is. All the pages in the file come across, and you have the ability to edit. So this is fully editable. If you want to make that disappear, you totally can. It's your choice. Or you can undo it. And also, it automatically saves all your changes, and you can rename it because you don't need to have it as copy of if it's new on yours. So you just save it as that, and that's it. It's in there. If you ever want to duplicate it, you can make a copy. If, let's say, you have them square and you prefer them to be in landscape, then you can change that with these resize options. You can change it to a custom size. You can change it to a social media post, all the major social media posts, it's all there. So have fun editing your newly downloaded template.